Want your businesses to grow faster in 2025? These AI tools can scale your operations, sales, and marketing like never before. AI is no longer just a tech buzzword. It's officially a growth engine for businesses. And in 2025, companies of all sizes are using AI tools to automate tasks, boost productivity, and scale faster than ever. Today, I am breaking down the top 5 AI tools for businesses growth in 2025. Tools that help you generate leads, increase revenue, and streamline your entire workflow. Quick reminder, these tools don't replace strategy, they enhance it. So take note, compare features, and pick what fits your business best. Let's start with a powerhouse, HubSpot AI. If you want a single platform that combines CRM, sales, and marketing automation, this is one of the best in the industry. Key features are as follows. AI-powered CRM. HubSpot tracks leads automatically, manages your pipeline, and even assists with client follow-ups. No more manual lagging or forgotten leads. Smart marketing tools. Their AI now writes email campaigns, creates content drafts, and even optimizes your ads for better performance. Sales insights. With predictive analytics, HubSpot AI identifies your highest value prospects so your team can focus on leads that truly matter. Team efficiency. From scheduling emails to automating workflows, HubSpot saves hours of repetitive work. Perfect for agencies, startups, and medium-sized businesses that want an all-in-one system. If your business needs structure, automation, and a smarter sales pipeline, HubSpot AI is a top choice. Next is Jasper AI, one of the best tools for businesses that rely heavily on content and online visibility. It has AI content creation. You can generate blogs, social media posts, ad copy, product descriptions, and emails within minutes. Brand voice consistency. Jasper lets you upload your own style so that AI matches your tone across all platforms. Automated campaign planning. It can create content calendars, campaign ideas, and multi-step sequences. Boosts conversations. Jasper is known for persuasive copywriting that's optimized for engagement and clicks. Jasper AI is a huge time saver. What used to take hours can now be done in just a few minutes. For businesses that need high volume, high quality content, Jasper AI is a total game changer. Third on your list is Zapier AI, the tool that can automate almost anything inside your business. It automates everything from moving data between apps to sending notifications and updating spreadsheets. Zapier removes repetitive tasks. AI workflows, you can describe what you want in plain language and the system builds the automation for you. It integrates within 6,000 plus apps. Google Suite, Slack, Shopify, Notion, CRMs, calendars, everything connects. Massive productivity boost. Teams save hours every week by letting Zapier handle manual work. Great for scaling, especially useful for remote teams, agencies, and growing businesses. If you've ever said there has to be an easier way to do this, Zapier AI is the easier way. Fourth on the list is Pipedrive with AI, an excellent tool for businesses focused on sales and lead management. It has predictive AI sales assistants, scores leads so you know which are most likely to convert. Pipeline automation automatically sends follow-ups, reminders, and task alerts. AI sales insights. Dashboards highlight opportunities and areas for improvement. Client engagement AI recommends the best next steps for each prospect. Perfect for small to medium businesses looking for increased revenue quickly. If closing more deals is your goal, Pipedrive AI will help you tighten and optimize your sales process. And finally, number 5, Surfer CEO Plus AI, the perfect tool for businesses that rely on search traffic. Surfer SEO has the following: data-driven strategy. Surfer suggests keywords, topics, and content structure based on what's ranking right now. SEO optimization. It helps to improve your article's ranking potential with clear, actionable questions. Content planning generates outlines, full drafts, and SEO optimized briefs. Growth focused helps attract high-quality organic leads without spending on ads. It is ideal for agencies, e-commerce stores, and content-heavy businesses. If organic growth is important to you, Surfer SEO is an essential tool. AI isn't just a tool, it's a business growth engine. From sales and marketing to workflow automation and SEO optimization, these tools help companies scale faster, make smarter decisions, and save precious time. If your business isn't using AI, you're leaving growth on the table. Which AI tool will you try first to grow your business? Comment down below. If you found found this video helpful, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button for AI and business growth content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.